We out here in Deerbrook again. Got a big Willie. It's flooded in there, so we're gonna turn it to a house. Step one, getting the green plate down. Got some guys down there got the steel in. Next comes Joyce. Yeah. 5 guys, but we ain't making hamburgers. And we sure don't sell french fries. Deck on. Walls getting built. Man, that back here on the big boy. The big one.
It's the big one.
We gotta build these, so it sucks. But here we are. Alright guys, day 4, we got tall walls up, all walls up. Beam set, deck on. Guys working on the big LVL right there. Got a couple of them in this hanger on. Second floor is built, straightened, top plated, setting trusses tomorrow.